One of the reasons why authors have a hard time writing is they don't even know why they're writing their book. Because your why would serve as the core of your book. It will be the sun of your solar system. Without it, you wouldn't even have a solar system. You wouldn't have a book. One good example of a book with a good why is Simon Sinek's Start With Why. How great leaders inspire everyone to take action. You can also read it to have a better idea of your why. He has a pretty clear why, and that is to educate how leaders inspire people to take action, which is to start with why. No matter what you do in life, you should start with why. The same goes for your book. I want you to have a smooth flowing writing journey. That's why today we are going to tackle where you can look for strong reasons why you should write your book. Hi, I'm Vikrant Shaurya, founder and CEO at bestsellingbook.com, and I want to welcome you to How to Write a Bestseller. Today we are going to discuss how to find your strongest why for writing the book. This is also important because you need this to create an amazing book outline for your book. First, let me tell you about bestsellingbook.com. We help experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs write their best-selling books even when they don't have the time or the skill set to write a professional-looking book. We do it with our done-for-you book writing, publishing, and marketing services. Just head over to bestsellingbook.com to explore all the services we offer. Like I mentioned earlier, I recommend Simon Sinek's book to help you start with your why. But for finding out why you're writing your book, you need to ask yourself this. Why exactly do I want to be a published author? It can be anything: building a personal brand, generating leads, helping people, making money, or just for the sake of writing. Whatever the reason is, you need to be honest with yourself. If you are wondering why you need to know your book why, it's an important driver that will help you keep on going. It will inspire you every step of the way on your book publishing journey. To make it easy for you, I have made a list of few whys of writers and self-publishers. Here you go. To help people who are going through the same or similar experience. To build authority or expert status. To share my distinctive point of view. To dominate a niche market. To launch a career as a writer. To generate leads for my business. To get paid to speak. I hope this helps you find your why to write your book. In the next episode, we'll be discussing how to find your ideal target readers. But before you go, you should check out Bestseller Blueprint, a comprehensive guide to create your best-selling book from scratch. It comes with a detailed checklist that I use to help hundreds of clients become best-selling authors. And you can download a free copy by just visiting bestsellingbook.com/checklist. Bye-bye, take care, and I'm going to see you in the next episode.